Hi guys, today I'm going to be working in our vegetable garden. It's a little project that I started with my kids just to teach them how to grow vegetable and understand. We prepared the raised beds in March, that was 2 weeks ago. We're now approaching mid-April and it's still very cold here, which is why we've had to cover everything up because we had snow. The last time we had snow was like yesterday, and it's below 10 degrees here in Switzerland, 10 degrees Celsius. So today I'm going to prepare the pathways, try to get rid of the weed in between, and put up the enclosure, the little fence to keep out the dog. That is our dog Dice. And yeah, let's see how far I get. So I'm thinking of putting the fence right here on this line and crossing it over to the hedge. So now that I'm done with digging up the weed on the right side of the walkway, I'm going to be putting up the fence. I'll be using those wooden panels that you see over there, and I'm going to have them in like on this line. Yeah, yes, Dice, I know you're here. Yes, I know. So I've put up the fence on this side. I think it looks okay. It's not all straight and leveled, but it looks okay. So I'm going to let it be. Now I'm going to amend the soil and then plant. So the line that you see there is where the grass pavement is going to go in. I'll fill it up with sand, play sand that I found in the garden. Actually, it's my kids' play sand. I don't have time to go look for gravel, so I'll just use this one and then replace it later. But first, I think I'm going to put up the fence on this side to match this fence here. Alright, so this is how things are looking right now. I was able to put up the fence on both sides, which is very nice, and plant the lavender and the flowers, put the mulch in, and the back section right there, we're going to be working on another raised beds for some more vegetable, which is why it is empty now. It's been very cold in the past couple of days, and I guess it's going to be a slow growth this spring. We've still had temperatures below 10 degrees. Even today it's very windy and cold. So well, I'll get started on the 2 additional raised beds back there, and I'll be using all of which you see here to get that done. And the soil that I had delivered this morning. I have just about 2 hours to do all of this. Let me see how far I get. All right. Wow, I'm so happy. I have finished setting up the vegetable garden. As you can see, we have a total of 7 beds, 7 raised beds, in which we are currently already growing cabbages and garlic over there in the middle. Back there, we're waiting to see some potatoes coming up. We have onions that we've put in at that other end. Over here, we have spinach that should be growing there pretty soon. Here we have broccoli, and the little things there in the middle should be radish. The 2 new beds that I've just put up today are still empty. I don't know yet what I'm going to be putting inside. And there in the middle is the kids' little flower garden. Yeah, pretty excited and so happy with how everything is looking right now. I can't wait to see what we'll be harvesting this summer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a comment below and see you in the next one.